Guthoma tribute. Yeah, my aunt. My dear son.
Msaidieni microphone nzuri. Mwana ule Muthugu kateri mwana osio, I'm the boss.
Tribute to my dear son. Through such a special son is really hard to bear. It's hardly seems unbelievable, but that you are no longer here. You left us too early, before your time, it seems, and now you will never have the chance to fulfill all those dreams you had. However hard it is, though we will take comfort in the thoughts of all memories we have and the happiness you brought. I loved you, son, but God loved you more. Till we meet again, my dearest son, rest in peace.
Hey, would rather my tribute to my dear brother. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm a tribute to you.
Tribute to my dear brother. You gave no one a last farewell, nor said goodbye. You were gone before we knew it, and only God knows why. A million times we miss you. We miss you to those times that you used to come home to see Mom and crack jokes that made us happy. If love only could have saved you, you would have never died. In life, we loved you dearly. In death, we love you still. In our hearts, you hold a place no one else can fill. It broke our hearts to lose you the day God took you home. We will meet again someday. I know you are in a better place. I thank God He made you our brother while you are here on earth. Rest in eternal peace, bro.
Thank you so much. Riu tribute gitugu di Guthoma. Na tugithomaga ni wega njarie kaundu gaka, twatia tribute imwe. Andu aya muroya kamera hari. Metagwo content makers. Mwathi gwikira ndumiriri icio no murikira nigetha na inyu muyonere oboco. Ikira ndumiriri icio na njira ebaciriri. Umariria Muthungu akuire ciothe ciandikitwo death of Pastor Muthugu Ciake friend. Naona marabia nao. Tafadhali. I know you must make what or are living in this world. No tolega ni tishadeka maundu magirire. Ona inyu abagia yu maundu ria mekitaja. Mwathi umuthi andika funeral of Pastor Samuel Kimani Muthungu period. Toginyo tinde ugikira Ciake ikarangu ucoke urumanirie na report icio ingi nigetha ugie likes na views. Nikuri andu megoro huthu. Na nikio kameme tanagirira gikuo kia mundu report itaumete kuri ki kuri family. Watu agwikira to nginya wambiririe na mundu tondu ni njokete ku note ni muragetha na mukarima na mugakama mikamwene na no inyu mureguna na korwo muri andu ega munyitane girikia nyumba ya Muthungu mundehere thimiti 20 to no mugithukumite na gikuo giake. Ndenda gwita tribute from Shiro. Augite ti hega onao hau ndamakuma no megwikira.
Tribute from Shiro. How well I do remember all the special times we had as we were laid side by side. I remember the nice name that you used to call me, Matogoro. Sharing good times, sharing bad times. The last call we had, I asked you whether I would come see you, but you said you would be well. You told me to get a rest, not knowing that you would be the one to pray to rest the next day. Sometimes we would disagree, but always make up in the end. But as we grew up, became best friends. But we grew up, we became best friends. Then you heard the voice of Jesus, gently calling from high. He was holding out in loving arms, but I couldn't say goodbye. Dear brother, wait for me in the beauty of God's heavens, where the best is yet to be, till we meet again. Rest in peace, King.
Thank you so much, Shiro. Shiro ni sister ya nini ya Pastor Kimani. Finally, tribute ya cousins or the uri uramithoma ni Yake.
A cousin and of the family. If tears can build a stairway, memories were a lane. We would walk right up to heaven and bring you back again. Sadly, though you are no longer here, somehow you remain ever near. Your memories are treasured within our hearts. You are ever precious and dear. No farewell words were spoken. No time to say goodbye. You were gone before we knew it, and only God knows why. Our heart still aches in sadness, and secret tears still flow. What it means to lose you, no one will ever know. Life is not the same without you. You are irreplaceable. We will always cherish our memories of you. We will always treasure you, for though you might be out of sight, you live forever in our hearts and minds. Your memories are very precious to us. We treasure them endlessly. But now, we know you want us to mourn for you no more, to remember all the happy times life has much in store. Since you'll never be forgotten, we pledge to you today a hallowed place within our hearts where you will always live. Rest in peace.
Huu mboni wako Kim, twatarajia upo salama. Tutakumbuka ulivyokazana, na sura yako Kim tutakumbuka. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. 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 Huu wimoni wako Kim, twatarajia upo salama. Tutakumbuka ulivyokazana, na sura yako Kim tutakumbuka.
Thank you so much. Tuma hore irohero wega andu acio mathoma tribute. Andu aria angi othe mokire mathiko oya guoko uguo. Gutire mundu utari na tribute. Oya guoko uguo iguru. Uga Pastor Kimani. Uro kohoro. Thank you. Back to Bishop Kariuki.